To another video. Today we will be working on the calculated columns again, where we will be using the switch function to show the programming view figures in band. So by clicking here you will get the file. I have already downloaded the file, so I will just show you the file. So this is the file. So what we need to do is in the underlying table create a new column. We need to create a new calculated column named as viewing band using the switch function to allocate these series. So let's work on this. I will click on this table view. So I will add one new calculated column called viewing band, and I will use the switch function and whatever is the allocation. So for example, million viewers, so we will use the viewer m column, so up to 5 million including 5. So I will use this as viewers is less than equal to 5, then return it as niche. Then the second condition is 6 to 8 viewers is greater than equal to 6 and viewers less than equal to 8. Then it should give me mainstream. Then viewers greater than equal to 9 and viewers less than equal to 12. Then it should give me cult. And then more than viewers more than 12 national treasure. I will click enter, so you can see that niche, whatever is equal to or less than 5, it's niche. So it's giving me the accurate value. Now we will check if it is true or not. We will add one matrix, and here I will add channel in the row, and then the calculated column viewing band in the column, and then the I think viewing band count of viewing band into this. So you can see, close it, so you can see BBC 1 1 2 3. So total is 1 in cult, 2 in national travel, 2 is national treasure, and then total 3. So channel 4 we have 1 in cult, only 1 in cult, and BBC 2 1 in mainstream and 3 in niche, 1 in mainstream, 3 in niche. So yeah, we are having accurate values. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.